Students, in the last session, we have already completed, how to make the induction very effective. Okay, we have completed that answer. And now I'm going to proceed with the next concept, and which is socialization. There is a small concept called orientation that I'm not doing it now, okay, because it is similar to induction program, okay. So there is a clear difference between orientation and induction that we'll do it afterwards. I begin with socialization, which is another concept in your answer. I hope you remember last session में हमने complete किया है ways to make induction effective, and then what are the steps, okay, of making the induction effective. Just a quick recap for those who were not there in the last session. We have completed formal and informal induction. Then we have seen, how to make the induction program effective. You have to, do welcoming the new employee, then determine the new entrants' need for information, explain them about the facilities that your company has, okay, history of the company, okay. Then determine who is going to do the presentation, someone from the HR team or someone from outsider. Then deliver induction training by the right instructor, okay, because the person who is going to do induction should be able to explain about the company in and out, okay. And lastly, you should always evaluate the induction program. That means how much effective it was. Of course, you can do that by collecting the feedback from the people who have attended the induction program. That means the new joinees. Let us begin with a new concept, that is socialization. This term needs no, you can say, explanation as such in detail. Socialization refers to, getting acquainted to new people, accepting their beliefs, okay, their values, sharing your belief and your values, okay, your opinions, okay. I think this is the concept of socialization. We all are somewhere actively present on social media platform, maybe on Facebook or Instagram or on Twitter, YouTube. There's so many platforms, students, where we are trying to socialize, okay. And we learn other people's perspective. This is one of the great thing about socialization. कभी कभी हमें लगता है कि हम सही है, लेकिन जब हम दूसरा का पर्सपेक्टिव समझते हैं ना, तो आपको आइडिया आएगा कि अच्छा वो पर्सन भी सही है, अगर गलत नहीं है तो सही भी है, okay. So let us understand what is its relevance in the company. We begin with socialization, concept of socialization. I hope the screen is visible, students.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
All right. Mehak, can you read this?
Yes, ma'am. Socialization refers to the development of human brain, body, attitude, behavior. Socialization is known as the process of inducting the individual into the social world. The term socialization refers to the process of interaction through which the growing individual learns the habits, attitude, values, and beliefs of the social group into which he has been born.
Okay,
Ma'am,
we
should I
can
continue?
continue. Yes, yes,
Yes,
yes.
ma'am. It is the way through which society transmits its culture from generation to generation and maintain itself. From the point of view of the individual, socialization is the process by which the individual learns social behavior and develop himself. Socialization is a comprehensive process. According to Horton and Hunt, socialization is the process whereby one internationalizes the norms of his groups so that a distinct self emerges. Through the process of socialization, the individual becomes a social person and attains his personality.
Okay, I think we
According
can take one. We will take one definition, and I would prefer to take the last one, which is given by Peter W.
Okay, ma'am. According to Peter Worsley, explains socialization as the process of transmission of culture, the process whereby individuals learn the rules and practices of social group.
I think in a very simple language, this definition transfers the meaning of the concept of socialization. It says that, transmission of culture, okay, जहाँ पे हम सीखते हैं rules and regulations and practices of social group. Okay, I think over the years, students, this concept itself is being discussed, and इसका relevance company में क्या है वो भी काफी डिस्कस किया गया है. There are lot many research papers being written on this. Okay, first before dwelling into कि इसका relevance organization में क्या है, let us first understand the basic meaning of socialization. Okay, it simply means the process where you are learning through you are learning through your experience. You are learning through how the social group around you has certain practices. और for instance, आपके social group क्या होंगे? Your family, your friend circle, your college where you are visiting. Okay, or maybe if you're working somewhere, तो वो organization. तो आप जहां जहां पे आप जाते हो वहां से आप सीखते हो, दूसरा का पर्सपेक्टिव समझते हो. ओके, उनके एटीट्यूड और बिहेवियर में अपने आप को एडजस्ट करते हो और अपना एटीट्यूड और बिहेवियर उस तरीके से रखते हो. ओके, so this concept, this is what is socialization. हम लोग ना students because we are from the we are human, we ह्यूमन कम्युनिटी के हैं, तो हम लोग वैसे बिहेव करना है. हमें एक कहीं किसी बुक में नहीं लिखा हुआ है कोई रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस, लेकिन वो हम इन्फ्रेंस लेते हैं, हम वो समझते हैं. ओके, कि अगर हम एक सोसाइटी में रहते हैं तो हमें अपने आप को उस तरीके से कंडक्ट करना है. Okay, there's a certain rules which are unsaid, but it is supposed to be understood. Okay, there are certain practices which are not being said by anyone, it is happening. Okay, and you learn through those practices. सबसे ज्यादा सोशलाइजेशन में अगर कुछ हमारी पर्सनालिटी को इन्फ्लुएंस करता है ना स्टूडेंट्स, तो वो है कल्चरल इंटरफेरेंस. ओके, क्योंकि हमारी फैमिली बिलीफ, ओके, हमारा रोज, हमारा रूटीन, ओके, जैसा होता है ना, दैट बिकम्स अ पार्ट ऑफ आवर पर्सनालिटी. ओके, so we will understand this how it is relevant to the company. Okay, for now you just understand that the society is transmitting its culture from generation to generation. Okay, and people are learning. Okay, and they try to get acquainted to a particular social group. आप में से शायद कुछ स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे भी होंगे जिनका घर शिफ्ट हुआ होगा, नए जगह पे गए होंगे रहने. ओके, तो आपने एक्सपीरियंस किया होगा कि पहले आप जहाँ रहते थे वहाँ का सोशल ग्रुप अलग था, वहाँ के प्रैक्टिसेस अलग थे, वहाँ के रूल्स रेगुलेशंस अलग थे. अब जहाँ पे रहते हो वहाँ के लोगों का बिहेवियर अलग है, यहाँ का सोशल ग्रुप इन्फ्लुएंस अलग है, यहाँ पे रूल्स रेगुलेशंस अलग है. दिस इज यू आर गोइंग टू एक्सपीरियंस as long as you keep on meeting new set of people. Okay, because society is always going to transmit its culture to the coming generation, and people keep on learning. Now let us understand what are the features of socialization. How many are there? There's only 5, so we will read all of them. Okay, starting with the first one, which inculcates basic discipline. Okay,
Socialization inculcates basic discipline. A person learns to control his impulses. He behaves in a disciplined manner to gain social approval.
yeah,
Helps
I
to
think
control.
okay, we'll see one by one. So it is going to bring discipline in you क्योंकि आप एक social group को belong करते हो. Okay, so it automatically um, um, gets you into discipline. Okay, you are expected to behave in a certain manner. Okay, which brings a certain basic discipline into you. Okay, then second one.
Helps to control human behavior. Socialization helps to learn various mechanisms in the society to maintain social order through the process of socialization.
Yeah, of course, you are amongst one of them in that group, right? तो आपको एक सीखना होगा कि आपको आपका ह्यूमन बिहेवियर कैसे रखना है, एक सोशल ऑर्डर कैसे मेंटेन करना है. ठीक है, आई थिंक हमारे कंट्री में अगर कुछ लैकिंग है ना, तो लॉ एंड ऑर्डर का इम्प्लीकेशन तो पुअर है ही. ओके, बट एक सोशल ऑर्डर कहीं ना कहीं बहुत खराब चल रहा है. ओके, आई थिंक education can definitely transform this, but however, okay, people who lack education, people who have zero means, okay, people who are surviving in impossible conditions, ये वो मैं उससे वही लोग एंड कर करप्शन करते हैं या वही लोग गलत काम करते हैं, नेसेसरी नहीं है। इट आई थिंक द रीसेंट रेप केस in Bombay was very disturbing to know that we are in 2021 and still such kind of we get to know about such cases, and it is horrifying because we don't want to be another of India's daughter if this is happening here. Okay, we uh, a, a country which has seen so much of things in the past, and we are learning to evolve and learning to become more developed. Okay, वहां पे अगर ऐसे क्राइम होते रहेंगे तो कैसे चले, है ना? तो सोशलाइजेशन के जरिए आप ह्यूमन बिहेवियर समझते हो और उसको आप एक सोशल ऑर्डर को समझते हो। लेकिन स्टूडेंट्स हमारे सिटी में ही नहीं, हमारे देश में ये सोशल ऑर्डर कहीं ना कहीं खराब है। मैं पूरा ब्लेम इसको लॉ एंड ऑर्डर के ऊपर तो नहीं डालना चाहती हूँ, लेकिन जरूर डेफिनेटली अगर स्ट्रिक्ट रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस रहेगा, ओके, तो आई एम 100% श्योर दैट वी कैन समहाउ मेंटेन द सोशल ऑर्डर, बट दैट इज लैकिंग। वन शुड identify why this kind of crime is even happening. Okay, what is the mindset of the criminal? Okay, क्यों वो ऐसे कर रहा है? Okay, तो ये सारी चीजें इनह्यूमन, ओके, इनह्यूमन का भी लेवल एक अलग अलग तरीके से, तो why this is happening? Okay, one should start identifying the actual cause. Okay, so अच्छा, आप एक सोशल आई एम सॉरी, आप एक सोशल ग्रुप में रहते हो तो आपको पता चलता है कि सोशल ऑर्डर क्या है और उसे मेंटेन कैसे करना है। लेट अस मूव ऑन टू थर्ड वन।
Socialization is rapid if there is more humanity among the agencies of socialization. Socialization takes place rapidly if the agencies of socializations are more unanimous in their ideas and skills. When there is conflict between the ideas, examples, and skills transmitted in home and those transmitted by school or peer. Socialization
Tends to be slow and effective. Okay, my internet connection is unstable. Or you can reply, yeah, I'm audible. Yeah, okay. I just got a notification that my internet is unstable. Okay, so socialization is rapid if there is more humanity. हमारे ना agencies of socialization अलग अलग है। हम सीखते हैं, अगर घर पे हैं तो हम सीखते टीचर्स से भी हैं, समटाइम्स अगर आप बड़े रिलीजियस हो तो रिलीजियस लीडर्स से भी सीखते हैं, है ना? तो अगर हम जो सीख रहे हैं ना, अगर सब कोई सेम सिखा रहा है तो हम रैपिडली सीखेंगे। Okay, जैसे your mother is telling you not to never speak a lie, okay, be always honest. Same thing your teacher is also teaching you in school, okay, that honesty is the best policy. Okay, if I'm so sorry, I just got a call, I have to disconnect. Yeah, so वही टीचर ने भी सिखाया, वही रिलीजियस गुरु भी सिखा रहे हैं, ओके, दैट यू गॉट टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, सच्चाई सच सच बोला करो। ओके, अगर सब सेम चीज बोल रहे हैं ना तो आपका सोशलाइजेशन वाला प्रोसेस रैपिड होगा। ओके, लेकिन if there is a conflict between what you learn at home, what you learn at school, and what you learn with maybe your religious leaders or outsiders, then again this process of socialization will become very ineffective and it will be slowed down. मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ है, मुझे घर में कुछ और सीखने मिला है लेकिन स्कूल में मैंने कुछ और सीखा, कॉलेज में मैंने कुछ और सीखा। ओके, तो ये जो कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स होते हैं ना, ओके, इसके वजह से 100% आपका सोशलाइजेशन प्रोसेस थोड़ा स्लो डाउन होगा और इनइफेक्टिव होगा। ओके, फॉर दोस पीपल हु आर वेरी क्यूरियस, ओके, एंड फॉर दोस पीपल हु आर who learn, I think please start learning, start to learn to question yourself. Okay, मेरे को ये बहुत आदत है, आई स्टार्ट क्वेश्चनिंग अ लॉट। ओके, तो कॉन्फ्लिक्ट मुझे दिखाई देता है कि घर पे तो मुझे ऐसा बोला है लेकिन स्कूल में टीचर ने मेरे को ऐसा बोला है, तो आई हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई, ओके, व्हाट इज राइट एंड व्हाट इज रॉन्ग। ओके, सो फॉर इंस्टेंस एक छोटा सा एग्जाम्पल, ओके, माइट भी घर में ऐसे बोलते हैं कि what do you say, गर्ल्स को थोड़ा केयरफुल रहना चाहिए, दे शुड टॉक सॉफ्टली, और मेरे को स्कूल में ऐसा नहीं सिखाया है, स्कूल में मेरे को जेंडर इक्वालिटी के बारे में सिखाया है, वहां पे तो टीचर बोलती है बॉयज भी सेम लेवल पे है, गर्ल्स भी सेम, इफ अ बॉय कैन बी अ सीईओ एंड रन अ कंपनी, सो अ गर्ल कैन डू आल्सो द सेम, शी कैन आल्सो बी अ सीईओ एंड रन अ कंपनी, राइट। सो यहाँ पे आइडियोलॉजीज अलग अलग हो गए, क्योंकि हमारे जो एजेंट ऑफ सोशलाइजेशन है ना, उनके पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू में कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स है। ओके, तो हमारा प्रोसेस ऑफ सोशलाइजेशन थोड़ा स्लो होगा, यानी कि हम न्यूट्रल होने के लिए या नॉर्मल चीजों को समझने के लिए थोड़ा वक्त लगाएंगे। Okay, and students, it is all up to you. See, you are going to come across information, lots of information from so many people. Okay, maybe your friends are saying something else, your mom is saying something else, your aunt is saying something else, your uncle is saying something else, your sibling is saying something else. Lekin it is completely up to you how you are, filtering those information. आप उस information को कैसे filter करते हो, कौन सी चीजों को accept करते हो, कौन सी चीजों को reject करते हो, सब आपके ऊपर है। Yes or no? Yeah. एंड मैं हमेशा से चाहूंगी कि ना मेरे स्टूडेंट्स थोड़े ब्रॉड माइंडेड रहे, ओपन माइंडेड रहे, ओके, एंड ट्राई टू फिल्टर द इंफॉर्मेशन ऑन फैक्चुअल बेसिस, ओके, और फिर उसके बाद में चीजों को एक्सेप्ट करो या रिजेक्ट करो। ओके, सो योर सोशलाइजेशन प्रोसेस इज कंप्लीटली on how you take things. आपके साथ हुआ है किसी के साथ में ऐसा डिफरेंस ऑफ, आपके अलग अलग एजेंट्स ने कुछ अलग अलग बातें की हो?
Yes, ma'am.
ना, मेरे साथ हुआ है ऐसा। मैं मंदिर में जाती हूँ तो मुझे किसी ने ऐसा बोला है कि बहुत जरूरी है ये, आपको ऐसे करना है वैसे। मेरे को स्कूल में बोला है कि गॉड का डेफिनेशन क्या है, ही इज देयर एवरीवेयर। ओके, सो difference. Okay, somebody taught me something else, somebody else taught me something else. If somebody is telling me to perform certain things to keep the god happy, whereas somebody else is saying me there is nothing, you be as good as you just be a good person, do your responsibilities well, and that is where your god would be happy. Okay, so there are different agents of socialization which who are going to project their ideas. It's all up to you how you are taking it. Okay, let us move on to point number 4.
Socialization takes place formally and informally. Formal socialization takes through direct instruction and education in school and colleges. Family is, however, the primary and the most influential source of education. Children learn their language, customs, norms, and values in the family.
हाँ, तो बहुत जरूरी है कि फैमिली में वैसा एटमॉस्फेयर रहे, बिकॉज बच्चा वही सीखने वाला है जो वो देख रहा है। द प्राइमरी एजेंट ऑफ सोशलाइजेशन इज योर फैमिली। यू लर्न योर लैंग्वेज, you learn talking, walking, smiling, everything from your family. Okay, I think that's how you are 90% of what your family is. Okay, so I think of course direct और आपके फॉर्मल सोशलाइजेशन कौन होते हैं? स्कूल्स एंड कॉलेजेस, जहाँ पे आप इंस्ट्रक्शन के थ्रू सीखते हो। और इनफॉर्मल क्या होता है? फैमिली। ओके, प्राइमरी एंड द मोस्ट इन्फ्लुएंशियल वन। जनरली हम ऐसे समझते हैं कि मम्मी जो बोल रही है वो करेक्ट ही है। ओके, कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं कर सकता उसको। Okay, this is what most of us think. Okay, so socialization can take place both formally and informally. Informally, of course, in your family, अपने लोगों के साथ में वो आपको सिखाते हैं how to behave, how to talk, what values you should have. Okay, all these things. And similarly, schools and colleges में आपको वही चीज थोड़ा instruction method में सिखाया जाता है। Lastly, socialization is a continuous process. Okay.
Socialization is a lifelong process. It does not cease when a child becomes an adult, as an internationalization of culture continues from generation to generation, through which the society perpetuates.
Okay, so as long as you are there in the society, okay, you are going to keep on learning new things, and there is nothing called age restriction. आप see, knowledge is ocean जितना बड़ा होता है, तो till the time you are there as a part of the society, you keep on learning formally and informally, and it is a continuous process. स्टूडेंट्स, अभी हम लोग सिर्फ बैकग्राउंड यानी कि कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ सोशलाइजेशन और उसका कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स सीख रहे हैं। नेक्स्ट सेशन में हम लोग इस कॉन्सेप्ट को ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में कैसे ये रेलिवेंट है वो सीखने वाले हैं. Okay, how is this concept relevant to the company? Within the company, we are going to learn that. All right, guys, I go to report to college, and I think I should end the session now. If there is no doubt, please let me know. अभी कुछ इसमें difficulty जो आपने सीखा?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Okay, beta. We have just seen the background of concept of socialization and few characteristics. Okay. Very soon we are going to understand the different types of socialization. Okay. थोड़ा बहुत easy होगा आपको क्योंकि last year आपने agent of socialization study किया है. Okay. तो ये जैसे finish हो जाएगा, we will understand how it is relevant to the organization. Why is it why it is plays emphasized why it is correlated this concept in your HR studies. इसका कुछ तो relevance होगा इसलिए आपको ये explain किया गया या ये concept आपके syllabus में है. Okay? So we will study how it is correlated to the organization culture in the next session. I end the meeting here and we meet soon in the next class. You all have a happy day ahead. Take
Thank
care.
you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're most welcome. I've marked the attendance. Okay, yeah.